Welcome! In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to connect Google Analytics with Desku to better understand customer behavior and support performance. First, log into your Desku admin panel. To get started, open the Settings section from your Desku dashboard. Next, browse the Integrations library to discover tools that enhance your support and analytics workflow. Locate the Google Analytics integration to quickly connect powerful tracking and reporting capabilities with your help desk environment. Enter your Google Analytics key here, then click Install to securely connect Google Analytics with Desku and start tracking customer engagement insights in real time.